All right, you want to edit a little video, and maybe you've been video editing for years or you're new to it, but you're looking for a simple, quick, efficient way to improve what video you already have. Let me show you in Canva how you can do this, and an important tip that will save you a lot of time. Take a look. So I am going to edit a video, and I'm deciding to do it here in Canva, which does give me different abilities, but here in Canva, it's a nice simple way to be able to make some changes. But I've hopped on here because I wanted to show you a little trick on with Canva right now. I can't really fully edit the audio separate from the video here or the images, and I definitely want to add more than just my screen recording. So first of all, I'm going to add myself here in the corner, and I'm going to remove the background. So that is going to be something then, since you're not seeing me on camera. There we go. And I can edit that down. I can make it smaller. But what I wanted to show you is, okay, so that is going on all of the entire video. At the very beginning here, I can click at any point. If I want that on the whole tutorial, I can. But if I also want to add something else at the beginning that's visually better, I'm going to just select part of the beginning here. So when I've selected the whole video and I've got my line here, now this additional option comes up, and this little symbol here, it's floating above my video. I can select split page. So it's split the page. But when I add something on top of this first section, I don't want to drag over. So if I drag over an image, it's going to remove the video behind it. So luckily there's this undo option, but if I want to keep the audio in the background, but I want something else on top, what I need to do is just click it. I can drag the corners and have it go over top of the whole video clip there, but I'm not removing. So what's interesting too is when I'm clicking on this, it's now showing a layer. Just like if I click on my picture here, it's showing that it's along the whole duration. The navigation bar here at the bottom, I could go here and I could make it not go right to the end if I wanted to with this other layer. So those are important little details when you're editing. If you're wanting to keep your audio, don't drag. What you want to do instead is click on the video or click on the image, and then you edit it over top, and the video is behind it. And then it's showing then as a layer. So I hope this is helpful. My name is Patricia Regier. Thank you for checking out this video. Give it a like, share it, comment. I invite you to subscribe. It's free. It just lets you know when I have posted the next tutorial or tips video. Thanks again.